Hey people, so just now I had downloaded this app called Urban Clap, and the person he came and this basically a carpenter guy, and he installed this cute mirror. This mirror is from IKEA. Take a look at it, and so that's what he just left around 10 minutes ago. So it's Urban Clap, yeah. It's one of the finest, nicest apps you can possibly download on your phone, because it's like honestly, all this carpenter work, electrician, plumber, all this can get so taxing, right? I don't know, I get very stressed about these small things, but the gentleman came and he just finished the work, and it was done in an hour. So I can't recommend this app enough. Yeah, it's called Urban Clap. So so that all the tiny little work, and it's very reasonable, so fairly reasonable, quite reasonable. And so do download it, people. It's called Urban Clap. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.